Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum, hello, hi, and welcome back to my kitchen with me, Firdaus Nuran here. And today the recipe which I'm going to share with you is Arabic pita bread, and this bread is made with the help of patent flour. Many of you are aware about the pita bread, and I'm sure you all will love to eat pita breads along with grills or barbecues, or even you can make shawarma and try it. This is super simple recipe, super easy, and you should definitely give this a try.
Also known as kubuz in Arabic, and these breads are very famous in the entire Middle East, the entire Arab countries. Let's start with the recipe now. So here to this 1.5 cup of patent flour, I'll be adding in 1.5 teaspoon of yeast along with 1 teaspoon of sugar and a pinch of salt. I'm just going to mix all the dry ingredients first, and then I'm going to add warm water to it. At least one and a half cup of warm water is required to get a nice sticky dough. A little elasticity should be there and a little stickiness should be there. So this is what is the consistency of your Arabic pita bread should be. So once you get that stickiness and the elasticity in your dough, all you have to do is just sprinkle a little bit of flour over the compartment and start kneading in the dough. Don't add too much of flour while you're kneading in, because we need the softness and the stickiness in the dough. So just keep adding little at a time and knead so that it leaves your fingers and you get a nice soft smooth elastic dough. Okay, now I'm going to rest this dough for about 2 hours to double its size. So once it doubles up, we will move on to the next step. It's been 2 hours now and my dough is beautifully doubled up. So let me just sprinkle a little bit of flour onto the compartment and drop the dough in to knead the dough for at least 1 to 2 minutes without adding in much flour. I'm just going to keep kneading it for 1 to 2 minutes and until I get a nice soft and a smooth dough again. And then I'm going to just divide this dough into equal portions. Once I divide this dough into equal portions, I'm just going to roll each portion of the dough to get nice soft balls like these. I'm going to make 8 pita breads out of it. So let's start rolling in the bread. So you roll out nice thin into a nice circle shape. This should be at least 0.2 to 3 thickness, and then you can just let them rest onto the baking sheet until they double up. Once they double up, we have to preheat the oven at 250 degrees Celsius for at least 15 to 20 minutes. So when you're placing in your bread, your oven should be nice hot with both the top and the bottom grills should be on and the air should be rotating. So the options you should have is both the top and the bottom grills should be on and the air should be on rotation mode, and it should be quite hot enough when you're pumping in your Arabic breads, the pita breads, to be baked. So once you place this, close it immediately and do not open the oven until your breads are nice puffed up. As you can see in this video, the breads are beautifully getting puffed and they are now ready to come out of your oven. So this did not take more than 15 minutes, like more than 10 to 15 minutes. And then I just removed the bread and applied a little bit of butter and sprinkled a bit of dry coriander leaves over it and a little bit of basil and oregano as well. And then you see our Arabic pita breads are ready. These breads can be used for any kind of grill recipes, barbecue recipes. You can serve them along with any kind of soups as well. You can also enjoy these recipes, enjoy these pita breads with shawarma stuffings or with falafel stuffings. Isn't it simple and easy? So you can give this a try and share your experience in the comment section below.
Guys, thank you for watching. Please stay tuned. There's still lots more coming up. Until then, you take care. Allah Hafiz.